Bruh.
Oh man, what the hell?
Okay, I just got my car cleaned. Oops, let me not show the license plate. This is the side of the car that the birds like to poop on. And they like to poop on the side of your mirror. So I'm gonna try something different. And I'm gonna see about seeing if I can deter these birds from pooping on my car. And they poop a lot.
And they poop on your mirror.
Yeah, they poop on my mirror. So, here, come here, baby. Just point it at the car.
I'll put it right.
Point the camera at the car for me. You my cameraman.
So, Mommy's gonna put this on her mirror, and she's gonna put a dinosaur on the mirror, on the thing, and she's gonna make the birds scare away. So I just went through it.
They like to see their reflection in the
Bag?
in the side view mirror on the car, and then they think their reflection is a predator. So I don't know if that's a part of them marking their territory or what. But I'm gonna take away their mirrors, take away the reflection so they can't see it. And then I bought these little toy dinosaurs or something to scare them off. They'll think it's a predator. So let me open these up.
And you put it on top. She'll put it on top of the mirror.
Yes, I will put it on top of the mirror.
And guys, she covered the mirror reflection so they can't see themselves. That's why they poop in the car. Just wanted to let you know she opened it already.
This is what it looks like. Okay.
And it doesn't have another arm. It just has a foot, 1 foot and 1 arm. You opened it now, okay? So this is what she's gonna do. She's gonna cover the mirror. She's gonna do that first. And she's also gonna take the bag and put it on top of there so it won't fall off. Did the other one fall off?
Did it fall off? No, it's still on there.
Okay, I didn't know because I was looking over there and I didn't see it. Oh, she's gonna tape it again? Oh, I just saw one flying there.
You saw a bird over there? Hopefully they'll think this is a predator. They won't land on the mirror. I covered up the mirror so they won't see their reflection in the mirror. And again, that's a part of why they poop. They look at their reflection and see themselves in their reflection and think that they are a predator.
If they land on top of the roof, they're gonna be scared and fly away.
Yeah, hopefully I can deter them just by using these 2 dinosaurs. Again, I got these dinosaurs at Five Below. And again, I'm covering up the mirror with a grocery bag. So it was really bad. I had white bird poop all down my door to the fact where my car wasn't even black anymore. My whole side of my door was white with just nothing but bird poop. So.
Oh, it just fell down. It just fell down.
Alright, we'll see it in the morning and see if this works. I saw this online. So if you come outside every morning and see a lot of bird poop on your car, just try this method. Probably get it to stick. It's probably a better way to do this, but thank you, EJ. Alright, here goes nothing. I'll let you guys know in the morning.
The next day.
I just took the dinosaur off of my other car. I have another car that gets pooped on pretty bad too, especially on this side. And I'm all free and clear. No poop anywhere. I don't see it on the hood. Well, that's power. It looks like something else, but I don't see it on the hood or the roof. Excuse me. That spot was there before, and then on my black car, I still have the dinosaurs here. They fell. but it is poop free. So that little trick actually did work. Again, I just saw it on Google. I did a Google search and I saw that that's what people were doing to scare off birds from pooping on your car. And the poop again was really bad. My whole car door was white. I've never seen that much bird poop in my life. And for them to do it like 3, 4, 5 days in a row, I was starting to get worried. But now on the 6th day, when I put this up, there's no poop anywhere. So I think this scared them off. I think this is a good method that if anybody is dealing with what we was dealing with 1 car, 2 cars, however many cars you have, put like a little toy or something. Cover up the side view mirrors, put a toy or something like that to scare off the birds, and you should be poop free as well. All right, thanks. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Several days later.
So here's an update. I started using the plastic bags for the first couple of days, and then no poop. The day I stopped using the plastic bags was the day that this happened. So you need to continue to use the plastic bags for I believe the whole nesting period. I believe we have robins over here that's nesting, but you have to use the plastic bags for the whole nesting period so this doesn't happen. And you have to use them every day, because the first day that I stopped using the plastic bags on my mirrors was the day that this happened. And actually it was worse than this. The rain washed most of it away, and before it was even worse than this because my whole door was white before I started using the plastic bags. So definitely use the plastic bags every day. And then they do it on my mirror too. My mirror looks horrible. So yeah, make sure you use the plastic bags every day for the whole entire nesting period. Now a Google search may vary. Some say a nesting period may last this long or that long, but just to be on the safe side, just use the plastic bags every single day. All right.